Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Ice Capp Vanilla bottle. So this is something you can get at the grocery store. I got this from Atlantic Superstore Loblaws here in Canada, and it's pretty cool because you can get an ice cap on the go. Now it's not going to be exactly the same as an ice cap because that's kind of like a slushy coffee, but per one of these bottles there's 260 calories, 7 grams of fat, 44 grams of carbohydrate, with 43 of this being sugar, and 6 grams of protein. There's also a whopping 700 milligrams of potassium and 200 milligrams of calcium, so you get a little electrolytes in there. Number one ingredient, skim milk, Tim Horton's coffee, cane sugar, cream, natural flavor, and xanthan gum. It's pretty cool. Caffeine content, there's 90 milligrams per bottle, so that's not too bad. The bottled ice cap, let's get into it. Ooh, it smells good. Wow, it's really strong. And oddly, it really does taste like Tim Horton's coffee. Interesting. It's very strong, and creamy. I shake this up before I drank it, so yeah, you probably want to take smaller sips while drinking this, because if you just chug it, it's going to be a little bit too rich and thick for you, but it does have a really nice flavor. Yeah, that's the good stuff. It's really strong. There's a really good vanilla coffee flavor to this, and it is quite strong. You can take a tiny little sip and get a good taste of this. Yeah, literally just a small sip, all you need. Really strong, really good. Vanilla flavored Tim Hortons Ice Cap. I would give that, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The only thing it's losing points for is the high calories that it comes with, but that's to be expected. This drink is really strong, really well flavored. If you had any vanilla drinks from Tim Hortons before, this is going to be identical to that. It's got a thick, kind of creamy texture to it, not similar to the actual ice cap. Those are a little bit more icy and granular texture. This is just thick and creamy with a good flavor. So I'm a big fan personally, but if you're looking for that similar ice cap effect, probably better just go get a real ice cap. Nonetheless, still very good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.